This is what it is, okay? Be water, my friend.
Hi there. Today we are making just like ABC, it is simple to make. Here's how I do it. For ingredients, you'll need these. Okay, press the pause button now and screenshot this. Okay, now to chop up the ingredients. Growing up in Malaysia, ABC soup was a staple dish in my home. Typically, it's cooked with chicken, but today we'll do it veggie style. I like to make it because it takes little prep time and can feed me at least 2 to 3 meals. Wow, looks colorful, right? Okay, now to the cooking step. For the first step, I like to fry the onions and tomatoes. I like to let them sit until their juices start to come out before doing any serious stir frying. Next, in with the potatoes and carrots. And then some more light stir frying. In with the corn. Goji berries and Jujubes. Bring the soup to a boil and then adjust the flame to low and let it simmer. Okay, while the soup is simmering, we're gonna fry up some tofu. Chop up the tofu. You could chop it into blocks or cut it into rectangle slices like I'm doing here. Now today I'm feeling fancy, so I'm taking the extra step to pan fry the tofu. During lazy days, you could just toss the chopped tofu into the soup without frying it. But hey, fried tofu is much more tasty! Let the tofu sit, fry on one side till golden brown, and then flip to the other side and do the same. Okay, finally, pour the tofu in and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. The longer the soup simmers, the better it will taste. You could use this time to do something else, like catch up on work or that project which is gonna due tomorrow. Salt and pepper. By the way, I make videos to share humble vegetarian cooking recipes that I picked up over the years living away from home. You know, mama's not around to cook for me, I gotta cook for myself. Well, if you're into that kind of stuff, do help me give a like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you! Okay, there we have it, vegetarian ABC soup done. Thanks for watching, hope you find this video helpful. Bye! By the way, if any auntie or uncle or pro chef is watching this, do leave a comment below if there are steps I can take to make this dish even more tasty. Thanks, huh?